Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another album. This is one of the ones that I was waiting for that had a comeback in May. It was earlier this month. So we have the K-pop band called TuZi. This was their first comeback. They debuted earlier in the year in January, so I'm really excited. Not many people know about them yet, and y'all should stop sleeping on them. They're so cool. I really love them. They kind of got like a synth pop vibe, and then they have a rapper in their group too, and then they're your typical rock too. So I don't know, they just got a really cool vibe that you don't really see all that often. So, I got their album. I got it off of Rising Star, and it's supposed to be a signed album. So, let's dive in. It actually came in a box. Like, I've never seen it come in a box before. This might be pretty short because I don't believe there's any, like, photo cards. Their debut album didn't have photo cards, and I don't think this one does either. But it's signed, so that makes up for it. I should have brought my scissors. Oh yeah, I already see it. Oh my gosh. So cool. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, TuZi. Okay, honestly, I don't really know who's whose. I can tell this one is Bumjoon. I love his signature. It's really cute. He's my bias. And then this says bass, so that's got to be Junghyun. He's also the maknae. The other ones, I don't really know. This might be Jisub. And then there's a Hojin. This might be Hojin and Hyunwoo? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'm sorry. But don't they look so good? Visuals. Okay, let's open this. Ooh. Okay, it opens like this. There's the CD. Yep. Second album. Doctor was their title track. 25 is my favorite off the album. Actually, probably my favorite song of theirs in general. So, let's see. Wow. Oh my gosh. He looks so good with the blonde hair, too. Yeah, see, these are all of them. Junghyun. He is the bassist. Bumjoon is the leader and he's the drummer. Hyunwoo is the rapper. Hojin is the main vocals. And then Jisub is the guitarist. Beautiful. Oh, cool. Lyrics. Wow. Oh, I love the plaid pants. Damn. Okay. Sorry. Had a moment. He is my bias after all. Wow. Okay. Well, that's it. So I told you it would be pretty short. Yeah, no photo cards and a small photo book. But that's okay. We're here for the music. Oh yeah, here's the back of it. I forgot to show y'all. Back. credits. Oh, here's all their positions. Sweet. Oh my gosh, this is so cool though. I have to figure out how I'm gonna display this. So, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!